CS2 settings. The limits for the secondary current are programmed through the CS2 settings window. This window is used to limit the output current of the power supply as well as the light load threshold. Constant current mode can also be enabled through this window. Light load threshold. The light load mode can be used to turn off the synchronous rectifiers to improve efficiency at light load conditions. Let's set a limit of 0.55 amperes. As the load is decreased, the synchronous rectifiers are turned off. And as the load is increased, the synchronous rectifiers turn on again. Notice the smooth transition between light load and heavy load due to the hysteresis provided in the ADP1043A. CS2 OCP limit. To demonstrate an example, let's use the 100-watt evaluation board. Let's set an OCP limit of 10.03 amperes with a debounce of 130 milliseconds. Let's implement a hysteretic shutdown. Now let's set the load to 11 amperes and take a look at the scope. The scope shows the termination of the output current when the threshold is reached and the shutdown of the power supply. The power supply shuts down and tries to re-enable after 1 second as programmed. Now let's reduce the load back to 8 amperes. In the constant current mode, the output voltage is reduced to 60% of its nominal value in a linear fashion whenever the output current becomes equal to 90% of the OCP limit. To enable the CC mode, just click on the switch in the GUI. The mode can be easily disabled by turning the switch off. As an added demo, let's choose a latching shutdown and notice the scope again. Increase the load to 11 amperes. This time, the power supply shuts down completely, and the monitor window shows the appropriate flag being tripped.